Welcome back to the channel, Caring Guile. Today we're taking a closer look at a small but seriously fun flyer, the CZ06 Mini RC Quadcopter drone. A compact drone built for kids, beginners, and anyone who just wants to enjoy quick and exciting flights without the stress. This mini quadcopter packs a durable ABS build designed to survive rough landings, surprise crashes, and all those first-time flight mistakes. It's tough, safe, and perfect as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. Now, let's talk features. The CZ06 comes equipped with dual 480p HD cameras, giving you more freedom to capture the moment, whether it's a family backyard flight or an indoor adventure. With optical flow stabilization, you get steadier hovering and smoother footage, even if you're new to flying. Kids will love the glowing, cool LED lights, especially in low-light flying. And with infrared obstacle avoidance, the drone intelligently detects objects in its path, helping reduce crashes and boost confidence while learning. Flying tricks? Oh yes! It can roll, flip, drift, and perform fun stunts with just a tap. And thanks to one-key takeoff and landing, as well as headless mode, anyone can start flying in just seconds, no complicated controls to master. The CZ06 is powered by a 2.4 GHz remote control with up to 100 meters of range, providing stable signal and anti-interference support. Great for flying with friends in small groups. You also get an app-controlled experience. Plan a custom route, activate gesture shooting, try smart follow mode, or use gravity sensing to steer simply by tilting your phone. You'll get around 6 to 7 minutes of flight time per charge, and the included USB cable makes it simple to power up and get right back in the air. Inside the box, you'll find the quadcopter, the transmitter, a 3.7-volt 680 mAh battery, a USB charger, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to get flying fast. So, if you're searching for a lightweight, safe, and super fun beginner drone that won't break the bank, the CZ06 Mini RC Quadcopter might just be the perfect pick. Let me know what you think. Would you grab this for yourself or as a cool gift for someone else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more drone reviews just like this one.